Welcome aboard. My name is Scott Roberton, and today we're going to take you through a 2011 85 Ocean Alexander. This boat is a 4-stateroom, 4-head boat. Each stateroom has Ensuite heads. We also have a day head on the main level. The boat's equipped with dual helms. It's powered by MTU 1600 horsepower engines. It's stabilized, and it's got twin generators. So today what we're going to do is start on the aft deck, and we're going to show you the swim platform as well. One unique feature about this particular boat is not a lot of 85 Ocean Alexanders were built with a hydraulic swim platform. So this vessel actually has that, which what it allows you to do is carry a tender on the back, as you can see right there, instead of always keeping your tender up on the Flybridge. As you make your way back over to the aft deck, you're going to see you've got a very large matte finished teak table. And this table has great seating around the back and around the sides. On the starboard side here, we have a nice bar, refrigerator, and ice maker, and also a built-in television here as well. One of the nice features that the 85 Ocean Alexander has and brings to the table is you've got an integrated stairwell to the Flybridge from the aft deck. And what you'll see later is you also have one right behind the lower helm that takes you to the Flybridge as well. Now come with me into the salon. Now we're in the salon in the dining room. First to start with the salon, you're going to notice on the starboard side you got a very large L-shaped couch. This is a deep couch, very comfortable, and across from the couch you got 2 club chairs and then a pop-up screen television here as well. One thing you're going to notice that an Ocean Alexander brings to the table is it has very high volume in windows. So as you look around the port and starboard sides of this boat, there's a lot of natural light that comes into this vessel. This area here is a nice little bar for in here. It's got great storage. It's got a full wine cooler in here. And then right here's our dining room table. This particular dining room table is set up for 6. And then we also, on the main level, we have a day head that we mentioned earlier. And this day head is positioned right here on the port hand of the port side. We're in the galley now. This galley is awesome for a chef or a husband and wife that like to cook together. But overall, you've got refrigerators, you've got freezers, you've got dishwasher, you've got trash compactor, you've got ice maker, you've got tremendous storage all the way around in here. This is a very, very well-equipped galley. Right behind the galley is a small dinette for eating in the galley itself. You've got 2 bar stools there and nice L-shaped seating as well there. And then as you make your way over here, this is one of the 2 helms in the boat. This boat's equipped with a bow and stern thruster, both are hydraulic. And then you've got your single screen here, you've got your VHFs, you've got your controls for your engines and all your engine data as well. Now we're down in the lower companion area of this 85 Ocean Alexander 2011. This area is equipped with 4 staterooms, and each stateroom has its own Ensuite head. The first one we're going to visit is the master stateroom. The master is equipped with a king-size bed. For the 2011, this has some really nice hull-side windows to bring a lot of natural light into this room as well. One side over here is going to have the vanity. And then over on your other side, we're going to have a nice settee over there. There's also 2 closets, one on the port and one on the starboard. Each one of these closets is cedar lined. A lot of room in each one of them. Now, one of the items in this is the master head is a his and hers bathroom with a toilet on each side, a sink on each side, and the showers in the middle. So what we're going to do is walk you into the master head next. We're going to walk into the master head, enter from the starboard side here. First thing you're going to see is the sink along with the head toilet here, but the main thing is how the his and her shower is in between. Very, very nice setup. We're going to make our way out, come back through the master, and there's the entrance to the other closet here, which is actually real nice since we're here. There's a safe, great storage, good hanging space. This is a nice master. And then here's on the port side as you come in. And there's the shower again, but this is on the port side. As you leave the master stateroom and come into the companionway, you're going to come up some stairs and we're going to go to the bow and this is where the VIP guest room is located. This is a very nice high bed, good walkarounds on both sides for getting in and out of the bed itself. You got a really nice walk-in closet on one side here, and then a full walk-in bathroom, as well as a separate shower. After we visit here, next thing we're going to do is walk down below and see the other two staterooms. But on your way out, you're going to notice this is where we have a washer dryer. And this is nice. It's not one unit, it's a stack unit. We're in the final two staterooms down in the lower companionway area. This is the starboard stateroom, and this stateroom offers two singles as well as a complete separate head for this cabin, as well as a separate shower. The stateroom on the port side has two singles as well, same shower arrangement. So we make our way up to the Flybridge. One thing about the 85 Ocean Alexander, the way they build their bridges all the way out over the side decks, is it feels honestly like it's a 100-foot bridge. This bridge is very, very large in size. So with how big it is, what we've done here is this is equipped with a Davit. But we also have the hydraulic swim platform on the aft like we talked about before. The advantage you have with that is, one is you can have your tender down there and it leaves this bridge area available for extra seating. You can put sea-doos up here, so you could actually have two personal watercrafts and also have a tender down below. As you make your way forward, you're going to see over on the starboard side here, great lounge area. And with the size of this bridge being as large as it is, take a look at this table. I mean, this table can easily feed 10 people, no problem whatsoever. It's just massive inside, teak finish on a mat. Over here to your port side is your bar. Got a flat screen television here, a grill, ice maker, and a refrigerator as well. And if you count the bar stools that go around here, you end up having 5 bar stools that take you all the way around. Forward of this area is your upper helm. A lot of a duplication of the lower helm, except you do have one extra screen. You still have your hydraulic bow and stern thrusters and all the instrumentation that you need. As you can tell, we have a full enclosure around this area as well, so if we got into bad weather, the captain is protected. One last really neat feature that this 85 offers that a lot do not have out there is a sunroof. This entire sunroof opens up and allows on very nice days to enjoy that part of the weather as well. Now we're going to make our way to the bow. So one thing you're going to recognize is how wide these side decks are. Very comfortable to get around. You can have fenders in your hands and lines and be able to maneuver easily. Real high side decks here to hold on to, safe. Got a nice sun pad up here as well. A lot of room. Great bow, easy to get to. Another place to hang out. Now we're down in the cruise quarters. This cruise quarters is set up with 2 staterooms. The bed for the captain's quarters is big enough for a husband-wife. There's an additional single bed. Nice thing about this cruise quarters, there's 2 ways to enter here. One is from the aft swim platform. You got a bustle door that'll bring you through. The other way is you got a nice integrated stairwell here from the aft deck. Just to tell you a little bit more about this, you've got a nice dinette area here with a refrigerator here, microwave, and the crew actually have their own washer and dryer. This can also be used to help out with additional wash if there's a lot of guests on the boat. But that actually gives the boat 2 full-blown washer and dryers, which is really nice for an 85-foot boat. Now what we can do is make our way into the engine room. Now we're in the main area, the engine room. Twin MTU 1600s. You got 2 generators, one on the port, one on the starboard. Very, very clean engine room. Sight gauges for your fuel tanks. You have a window on this side, which is really nice, and also on the starboard side. All right, we're coming to the end here. Quick recap: 2011 85 Ocean Alexander, twin MTUs, 4 staterooms, 4 Ensuite heads. You got a day head on here, separate dining room, two helm stations, which is really nice. The boat's also equipped with a Watermaker and also a waste treatment system. The boat's fully stabilized. One of the big differences, this boat has a hydraulic swim platform on it. So if you get a chance, give me a call, 727-638-7890. It's Scott Roberton, and my email is scott.r@marinemax.com, and we're ready to set up a showing for you.